Stop. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. For today's vlog, we're having Qdoba Mexican Eat Restaurant. Mexican Eats Restaurant. We're having soft steak taco. And enjoy and God bless. Thank you for watching and see you again soon for the next vlog. Mega lot shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone, it's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. And thank you for watching and have a good weekend everyone. And God bless. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share and subscribe. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Of course, it's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. We have their park water as always. Qdoba Mexican Eats Restaurant. Thank you for watching and God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Let's have some soft taco steak at Qdoba Mexican Eat Restaurant. Enjoy and God bless. So long and see you again soon. It's late lunch for today. It's Thursday afternoon. Late lunch for today. So have a good weekend everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Thank you for watching and God bless us all. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share and subscribe, please don't forget to pull the notification bell. And watch the video until the end and some more video for you guys to watch. Thank you and God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Make a shout out to you all. Silent viewers, silent subscribers. Hello everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you for watching and God bless. Please more support from you guys by subscribing, like and share, and watch the video until the end. Don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all, and thank you for watching. God bless you all. Qdoba Mexican Restaurant for lunch. Thank you and God bless.